can't remember the rest.
Get that song stuck in my head.
Okay.
We do have to find the mushroom. We only have one life. Actually, I don't even have one.
Oh, I have a life.
There was a song right there, very unusual.
There it is again. It got louder this time.
It must be getting closer. Yeah. Should go that way, because that's the only pretty much way. That's the game rules. Go that way.
Yeah, I know. You go backwards. I don't know what happens.
You
But
just
the
go
weird
backwards.
thing is that you can't go like this. You can't go that way. You can only go that way.
Yes, that is one thing. You only go that way. You only go that way or that way.
Yeah.
It's real weird.
I know it is weird. Jeez, I better hurry. Whoever that is, I think it's Toad, is in danger.
Hey, look, there's some newspaper.
Newspaper.
Wait a second. I think it's a note.
What's a note? Ow.
To Luigi. To my Luigi. A giant Goomba Toad.
And hit her in a question mark.
What does that mean? Let's go.
Go.
Oh! How about you walk faster?
It's not my fault.
Hey, look, Mario, there's a mushroom sticking out of that question mark.
Oh, maybe it's a giant mushroom. Maybe it'll give us both a life. Wasn't that a rock?
Yes. Let's get it.
Oh no! It's a toad! It's not a mushroom! What a disappointment! Here, you take it.
Yeah.
What a disappointment! I'm out of here!
After you.
Why are you still carrying her? Oh wait, that's the thing that was screaming! Oh, no wonder we needed to save her. Ooh. It's starting to get a little stormy out.
Yes, I can hear some thunder.
I do too. She lost her life. Ooh. Toad, are you alright?
I lost a life. I don't think she has any more ups.
She only has one. She dies, she dies. Oh no. Poor little toaster.
Hope there's some sort of mushroom or an up around here.
I know, but here. Since I'm longer. Look, here's one.
Can we whack the tree and see if anything falls or anything?
Oh, good idea! Good idea! And up! What's this? Oh, it's a question mark. Oh, this question mark must have been hidden and it had that up in there. Give it to her. Or now if she dies, she can still live on.
Wait a minute.
I'm just gonna go put this over here.
Wait a minute. We wasted all the time looking for an up, and look what I had.
Here, I'll take it. What did you have? You had a mushroom!
I remember I got that from one of the levels.
Well, you need to use this. You only have one life, don't you remember?
Oh yeah, I did say that.
Well, eat it! Or okay, or you could just press it against your chest. Well,
She's fluttering. She can flutter in the wind.
let's take this little toaster and keep going. 5'2" is a lot longer than 5'1", don't you agree, Luigi?
Oh yeah, I definitely agree.
Ooh. Ah.
I'm gonna put my
Well,
hand
let's get going.
Wow, I have some pretty daggum deep pockets.
Yeah. Let's go. Those are some big pockets. She's heavy. You want to hold her?
Wish her hat can give me a life.
No, it doesn't. I wish it could, though. I wish it could give it a life. Ooh, I think that's a Goomba code.
That might be a Goomba cone.
That might be a Goomba code, yeah. Let's go. Let's get out of here before those Goombas get out of here. And rip us apart.
Let's go.
Stupid Goombas.
I think you just wake him up. Come on. Walk past the toad.
Yeah.
What the heck are you doing with that chair, Mario?
Well, while you get through with this segment, I'm gonna sit in here.
Yeah, how about you sitting there? Poor toad. Get away, baby. Ooh, what's over there?
What was it?
Oh, nothing. It's probably just a rabbit. Oh, look.
Oh, it was a rabbit. I see it. It's running away.
Oh. Hey, wait.
Bye, rabbit!
Hey, what's this? An up? Oh, an up! Why the heck would this be laying on the ground? It must have been hidden from the Goomba cave.
Yeah, maybe there's some toads, and they hid it so that the Goombas couldn't get it.
There's also a mushroom there, too.
Oh my gosh! A mushroom and an up? But why would they be so close together?
I don't know. That's probably what I'm wondering.
Oh well.
The doctor only said one mushroom. They said more than one ups. Oh, wait, give me that.
I want it! Well, it's another day. You know it's been 2 days by now, right? You can have that mushroom. Oh wait, no, you just had one.
Yeah, I know. That's
Oh,
why
I forgot. I want to take my hat off. Okay, fine. You've never got to take your hat off.
Yes, I never.
How many lives? How many ups do you have?
98.
You have 98 ups?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you can have this one. Or.
No, you can take your hat off. Buddy, for you. Here.
What do I do with this broken up?
Oh. I don't know. Oh well.
Oh, Mario, are you coming? Oh. Yeah, where are you doing? Okay.
Squirrels have been chewing on this. Oh! I'm coming! Ow! Stupid shoelaces.
We're busy thinking. We just left the force. This stupid hat's getting on my nerves.
Woohoo! What do you have there, Luigi? I finally caught up.
Oh, what the heck?
A star coin!
A star coin!
We should maybe tomorrow Maybe we'll get another sword horn, and then we can go to the pawn shop.
Oh yeah, we probably could buy something really good.
Yeah.
Where should we put this?
You want me to take it?
Yeah, sure. There's a nutty there. Is that a coin? Oh no, it's a star! I found a star! It must have been hidden over there by Goombas, but then it blew away because nothing was covering it. Why do you think?
I'll put it in my pocket. A coin! It blew in! It blew over here!
Why the heck would there be a coin?
A coin? Coin?
What do you think we should do with this star?
We use the star?
Yeah, what should we do with it? And by the way, why would there even be a star?
Leave that alone.
Oh.
Should we run the flag with it? Well, actually, only use one.
Yeah, there's only one star. Just didn't say it.
Who gets it? You should. You found it.
Yeah, that really is getting on my nerves. One sec. Oh no! Well, now I'm only down to 98 lives, so now I get to have my hat back on.
Okay, okay. Well, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Well, that's kind of nifty. You head off. I'll catch up.
Oh.
Use nothing.
Oh! I'm gonna use my star.
Or.
Now I'm colorful.
Oh, he's colorful now. I can't catch up. Oh. Wait.
How many meatballs have you ate, Mario?
I don't know.
Oh. My star died. Did I still have my star? Is it still? What the heck has been taking you so long, Mario?
We turned into a star. Way too many meatballs.
Sorry, I had an extra star.
It's alright. Let's go. Oh. Ooh. Wait! There's the flag! Yeah.
Finally.
By the way, I think I ate too many.
Oh.
What the heck?
Oops, I ripped it.
Sorry about that. Let's go. Here. There you go last. You go first.
Okay.
Maria! This is all kind of sending. Hold her hand. Okay. Adios! Mission complete! Oh yay, my first mission completed with Toad! That was fun! Woohoo!
hot summers and a winter with